Hello everybody, this is Thursday, the last day of November, November 30th. I cannot find my selfie stick. I can't even find my new selfie stick. And I had a Stitch Fix like a week and a half ago. I recorded it. I even tried the clothes on. And I tried to upload it to iMovie. And then I couldn't put it anywhere. So it was lost. So I'm just going to do a unboxing. I'm not going to try anything on because I cannot, for some reason, find where to upload the video from iMovie. If you guys know, tell me. I used to be able to do it, but I don't know what happened. So, I don't know. Oh, can you believe that it's almost December? I cannot believe it, but at least it's closer to spring. I've been working really good on my diet. I've been trying to do better. So, yeah. So, let's see what this Stitch Fix looks like. I'm kind of stuck here because I got a heater here, I got a cat here, and this is a little bitty space that I have to work with. This is heavy. Looks wintry. Okay, let's check out our envelope. I did not pick anything from my last fix, if you're wondering. And I think I have the same stylist. Yeah, Kayla. Stitch Fix number 87. Woohoo! Okay, everything in this box is $300. If you take 25% off of $300, it's $75. So minus $75 is $225. $225. Wow, that's a close-up. That's a close-up. Okay, so let's check this out. I'm going to try and do this with this cat here. See, I have a place here where I keep my makeup and stuff, and she's sitting on it, and it doesn't give me any room. All right. The last fix, I had 2 pairs of plaid pants that I could not even zip up. So I told her that, so maybe she got bigger tires. Okay, the first thing, ooh, I like these, is a pair of pants. Where is the tag? Democracy Marty Absolution printed side zip detail skinny pant. I need Absolutions. Okay, let's see how much this is. $78 for these pants. They're kind of like jeans, but they're not. Here, there's some stuff stuck to it. Okay. Yeah, they're kind of like jeans, but they got a cool pattern. Well, that's really neat. There's the back. I like those. When you know, I like those. Okay. Next. Looks like some more pants. I don't know if I'm going to like these. This heater is getting a little hot. Tribal Fia printed trouser in dark gray. Yep, she gave me a size up. $62. I've been trying not to eat out as much, but I don't like these. But we went and ate at Dairy Queen tonight. I do not like these. I don't like how they feel. I don't like anything about these. So I am probably not going to try those on. Hey, the cat left. Good. Whoops, dropped my paper. Okay. 1, 2. We've already gone through, what, 2 things? Here's 3. Oh, another pair of pants. Violets and Roses. Violet mid-rise slim straight trouser in gray. And I don't know about these. They're better than the last pair, but I guess I have to try them. maybe going up a size is just what I needed. Oh, how much are those? These are $58. Okay, two more things. Looks like a top. And where is the green tag? Les Seren Benito long sleeve mesh knit top in black. $44. Oh, the sleeves are see-through. That's kind of cool. I had this on my likes on the app, so we'll have to try it and see. Oh, nice. Okay. Did I say how much that was? I had a long day. $44. One more thing. Ooh, sweaters. I don't like sweaters. Design History Ethelda Ruffle Bell sleeve sweater in black. And this is $58. I am not a sweater person. Well, it's going to be too slim for one thing for me. I don't like things that tight. And I don't think I'm going to like those sleeves. The neck is not wide, which I like, but this is a no for me. I do not do sweaters. So, we have the top and the two pairs of pants a possibility. So, that's not bad. I wish you could have seen my last Stitch Fix, but of course, the two pants I couldn't have showed you because I couldn't zip them up. What else did I get? I think I got 3 tops or something, but yeah, that got messed up. So I'm gonna keep doing videos like this until I can figure out that other iMovie thing where I try them on. So, all right, that's all I have. Stitch Fix number 87. And happy December 1st tomorrow. Don't forget to say rabbit, rabbit. See you later. I'll let you know what I end up doing with this. See ya.